This simple guide will show you how to make tofu at home using just soybeans, water and a few kitchen essentials. Plus, we'll also show you a quick and delicious crispy tofu stir fry you can make in minutes. Start by taking 500 grams of soybean and let it soak in water overnight. Then blend it with a total of 2 liters of water. Strain the blended mixture using a muslin cloth or a fine strainer to separate the soy milk from the pulp. And don't throw away that pulp, it can be used in other recipes like veggie patties. Cook it over medium-low heat for about 30 minutes. This step removes the raw bean taste. Stir regularly to prevent it from burning. Once cooked, turn off the heat. In a separate cup, mix 3 tablespoons of lemon juice, 3 tablespoons of vinegar and half a cup of water. Add this mixture to the hot soy milk while stirring gently a few times. Then let it sit and curdle for around 20 minutes. Line a tofu press or a strainer with cheesecloth and carefully spoon the curds into it. Fold the cloth over, place a weight on top, and let it set for at least 6 to 12 hours for firm tofu. Once it is set, remove it from the cloth and your fresh homemade tofu is ready to use. For a quick crispy tofu stir fry, cut the tofu into cubes and coat them in a mixture of 3 tablespoons corn flour, red chili powder, paprika, salt and black pepper. Heat a few tablespoons of oil in a pan and fry the tofu until golden and crisp. And there you have it, a complete homemade tofu recipe that's nutritious, affordable and incredibly satisfying. If you enjoy this easy tofu recipe, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more healthy homemade food ideas.